guys, I'm Jess and this is Abby.
Hey guys.
And today we're here to talk about one of our favorite subjects, which is clean air houseplants. Abby and I love them. We have a little bit of an obsession. We have no windowsills left.
A lot of an obsession.
Yeah, it's a little bit of a problem.
Yeah.
So Abby's going to tell us what actually makes a plant a clean air houseplant.
Yes. So all of our houseplants produce oxygen. They're going to take carbon dioxide out of the air and they're going to be giving off oxygen. But there are some houseplants that do a better job of that than others. And they also remove benzene derivatives from the air, which are cancer causing. So really great to have in the home. And there was a study done back in the early 90s that kind of came up with a list of the top 25 most oxygenating houseplants. And in that study, they said that in order to maximize that effect, you should have one clean air houseplant per 100 square feet in your home. So,
very cool. So we have a few of our favorites here. We've got, this one is one of my all-time favorites. It's a Variegated Pothos. I just love the color it gives, especially for being a low light plant. So it's a great option hanging or on a windowsill or a shelf.
Shelves. Yes, I have mine on my shelves.
Yeah, yours are beautiful. Then we've got a spider plant here too, which also great, my favorite because they are very hard to kill, and if you're new to houseplants, it's definitely a benefit. The snake plant is another great option, especially if you kind of want like a cleaner look. They don't
that modern minimalist.
Yeah, exactly.
Style.
I have one in my bathroom that I really like, and they have a few different options with colors and textures. And then lastly, the Peace Lily is one of our favorites because unlike a lot of low light plants, this plant can actually give you some flowers, which is really, really nice.
Yes, here's a big version right here. And this is what your Peace Lily will eventually look like. So we have a lot of options for your space. We have big plants, small plants, all different colors, shapes, sizes for beginners and advanced houseplant gardeners.
We've bought all of them.
We've bought all of them.
All the shapes, all the sizes.
All of them. We're spending a lot more time in our homes. Why we might as well make it our own and kind of design,
for sure,
make it what we want it to look like. So
definitely.
Yeah. Well, thanks guys for joining us today at Skillins, and we hope to see you next time.
Thanks guys.